Hello friends, hope you two are well. Today I will share spicy grilled chicken wrap, chicken breast, minced garlic, oregano, paprika, onion powder, chili flakes, salt, pepper, lemon juice. If the color does not change, cook chicken on medium heat, spicy sauce, yogurt, sriracha, fresh garlic, chopped parsley, salt, pepper, lemon juice, mix till smooth, shredded lettuce, grilled chicken, red onion, tomato, spicy sauce, ready to eat. If you like the video then like, share, subscribe the channel.